Well, sometimes even silliness is so much messed up. You've got this big, colorful rainbow slide, like something out of theme park, right? Simply designed to make sure your happy cells in your brain is active. At the top of it, you've got woman fully covered, black dress, head scarf, everything is like full package, head to toe. Which we simply would look at it and then say, well, this is the completely modesty package Islam offers to the woman. And then they simply slide down. Now here, where physics simply enters the chat. Well, as they slide down, dress, well, they don't exactly stay put. And suddenly, what was, let's say, fully covered turns into, let's say, very, very generous reveal of legs. Not a little, not accidental. We are talking about almost full display here. But hey, as long as hair is covered, we are all good, right? Because that is the religion they follow at the end. And at the bottom of the slide, waiting to greet them are young men. Just standing there, it's like taking the front seat to make sure they don't miss any play. Nothing occurred at all, nothing to concern. Totally normal day at the park. Because obviously, real issue is always hair. Always hair. Not environmental, not interaction, not that very predictable outcome of sliding down in a giant slope in a loose clothing. No, no, no. As long as hair is covered, everything else just seems to be sorted out. And I am watching this and thinking, this is one of those moments where theory and reality simply politely shakes hand, and then they simply walk into the different direction. Just a side note, this is happening in a rainbow colored slide, which is just very interesting design of choice, right? Given such colors are simply sided with alphabet people today. But no problem at all. Everyone is just enjoying the ride here. And to be fair, those women look like they are having great time, right? They don't need to think about their one and only job of baby making machines. They don't need to think about dirty socks of their husband. They don't even need to think about wherever right now their husband is simply sowing his semen somewhere. No, no. Smiling, laughing, enjoying the moment, which is kind of the point of the parks, right? And of course, since Allah doesn't like that much happy and joyful people, I am sure Allah just turned his face to other way, hiding behind the curtain. But it does raise a question, right? If joy, such as this fun, out of blue, out of pink, or just being carefree are full display here, while formal rules are technically still in place, then what is exactly being preserved? Not your legs at all full naked legs. Because from the outside, it starts to look less, those rules are always the same, than more like tick box, checklist. Hair is covered, tick the box. Everything else, we will figure out on our way to down the slide. Actually, maybe that's the real takeaway here. Sometimes the conversation isn't about whether people are following the rules or not. It is whether rules are actually functioning in a real situation. Because simple thing is, gravity does not do negotiation.